Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rika and in today's video I'm going to show you how I pack for a business trip. So I like to pack my items into packing cubes. I got mine from Amazon and basically you get a set of 5 or 6 of these in varying sizes depending on the brand that you purchase. I really love these. They make packing super easy and they also help to keep me organized. I also feel like my things fit so much better in my suitcase when I use them. For anybody that's interested, I'll leave a link down below for the ones that I'm using in this video. So I'll be heading to Chicago for a 5-day long work trip. The weather is expected to be pretty hot and sticky, but I'm going to be spending most of my days indoor and very likely I'll be under an AC of some sort, so I'll be packing accordingly for my work environment. So I don't really have much of a technique to share for folding my clothes, but I do like to pack similar items into the same cube. So for example, I'll put all my tops into one cube, all my undergarments into another one, bottoms I'll pack together, and so on and so forth. So I also have special bags for shoes as well, and what can I say guys, these are a game changer for me because before I would use like the bags you get from the grocery store, and what I really like about these, they have a clear cover so I can actually see what shoe is in the bag before I take them out. I'll have a link to these below as well if anyone is interested, but I really like these and you can also use them not only for shoes but any other knickknacks that you're traveling with as well. Now for the fun stuff. This is my handy dandy makeup bag. I've had this one for years and I know it doesn't look like much, but I can fit everything I need to do a full face in here. So now that we have the makeup packed and out of the way, it's time for our toiletries. This is another one of those bags I've had for a hot minute, but I love it so much for packing my bathroom effects. It has a wax lining, so if I'm carrying any liquids and I happen to have a spill, the lining will prevent anything from running out onto my clothes. Here I decided to utilize one of those packing cubes for the rest of my toiletries. I used some tape on top of some of the bottles just to safeguard from any spillage. And yes guys, I use a lot of products for my skin in here. Okay, so we're basically on the home stretch. After getting everything into their respective cubes and bags, it's time to fit it all into my suitcase, and it's pretty much like a game of Tetris. Thumbs up this video if you've ever played Tetris before, guys. You basically want to get the right combination of cubes and bags in either side of the suitcase to get that perfect fit. I didn't mention this before, but I also like to travel with my little personal steamer. I never leave home without it, just in case I need to get any wrinkles out of anything and I don't have an iron around. Once everything is all in my suitcase, I can close her up because your girl is just about ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.